You know, going through a hike in the wilderness areas or camping areas can be a very enjoyable experience. Hi, I'm Captain Joe Bruni, and what we're going to talk about and discuss is how to make a basic first aid kit for going on a hike through our nation's trails and wilderness. Basically, the first thing we want to take is a good pair of sunglasses and a hat, along with some foodstuffs like basic snack bars, high-protein bars, 2 or 3 bottles of water, energy drinks, or things along those lines, and even maybe some fresh fruit like bananas. Along with those items, one thing to consider is your basic first aid kit that can be purchased at your local sporting goods store or even drugstore. Small first aid kit that could include things that have insect repellent and possibly lotions or medications for allergic type reactions. Some type of waterproof matches, a good Swiss Army knife or hunting knife, and basically some type of flashlight would also be in order. And last but not least, take your cell phone and a good map and possibly a compass. Cell phone service may not be available in the area, but you can call your cell phone service company prior to going on your hike to determine if there will be cell phone service in the area you are hiking in. Having a cell phone could be a vital link to getting help or finding your way out. I'm Captain Joe Bruni. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.